There he comes again. He's actually working today. What in the world's going on? Hey guys, Dallas here with Days at Dirt. We're gonna get in the shop today. Brad got one side pretty much on yesterday before he got mad because nothing was going together right. Nothing goes together right and then he gets pissed off because he's very, very short-tempered, but it's just how he is. We're gonna get in the shop today and hopefully get a lot more done tonight. We're needing the body done to work on our business trailer this weekend. So we'll hit it hard and heavy this week, trying to get all that squared away. Just want to give a shout out to a follower, subscriber on our YouTube channel. He sent us a tool. He would like to remain unnamed, so we won't name him, but we greatly appreciate the tool. We feel like it's going to help our tube and bender a whole lot. But we're going to get in here today and see what all we get done. Hopefully get another side on and a fender side. We're just about done with the body. We don't really like a whole lot. He's already got the side cut out pretty much. He's just got to do the bends and stuff like that. So we'll get in here and see what all we get finished up. It's just me and Brad, and I think Christopher's coming too. You can see the golf cart coming down the driveway. So Christopher's coming in just a second. He's going to get us a fire started because it's a little bit chilly. It's not bad today. I don't know how the weather is where you guys are, but it's been in the 60s today, and it's extremely nice. It's a breath of fresh air when it went from last week it was like 17, and some people that's not cold, but we don't get a whole lot of that around here. What you doing?
Secretive stuff.
Oh. I don't know what he's doing. But anyway, sounds like he's got a heater going in here. So it'll be so cold. Woo. All up close and personal. Sorry about that. Cold, but it's just a little bit chilly because I don't have a long sleeve shirt on because it is nice. I actually got Magnolia out today, went to see some friends I work with because it's not been too cold. Last week we didn't get out at all because it was rainy and cold, and I just didn't want to chance her getting sick. She's still way too young to be out in that kind of weather, but she is inside with his mama again. She stays in there with her when we come out to the shop. Thankful that we have somebody to watch her and help out with that. If not, I wouldn't be able to come out to the shop to help Brad. And as you've kind of seen in a lot of our videos, we don't have a whole lot of help. We have Joel that helps us, Patrick that helps us. They can usually only help us 1, maybe 2 days a week, and then me and Brad, and then Chris is out here just about every day. So other than me, Brad, and Chris, there's really not any day-to-day help. So it's just us. So let's see what all we get done. Looks like Brad's already, man, he did a lot when I left last night. So he's already got this on. So you just gotta cut the fender well out. You can see where he's got it marked to cut out. He's got all that. He just gotta fasten it down. You don't have the fender side there. And then here, looks like he's still working on the fender side there as well. But this side is fastened. He bought some fasteners like he used on Nick's cars, or Nick's car, but they didn't work. That's why he got pissed off last night. But hopefully tonight's better night. He's not so mad. When he gets like that, I just go in, walk away. Because generally I make the situation worse if I ag him on.
We had a follower who saw our video the other day using the tube and bender, and how my dad was having to use the level, so he reached out to us. Going to remain anonymous, but he sent us this. It's a no-dog offset level. What it does, it keeps when you're making multiple bends on a tube, sit on the same plane so that your bends aren't like that or cattywampus. But no-dog offset level, you can check them out at no-dog.com, and it is made in America.
This one particularly came from Amazon, so you can get them on Amazon too.
Yeah. There's the website.
Yes, blurry. Brad's working on bolting some shocks on. the car that it is not the shocks we're gonna run this year, but it is some spare shocks that we have just so we can get the body on and get it sitting right. He actually got a text message earlier that our shocks are finished from TJ at TA Suspension. So we'll be going to get those later this week. We're excited to have those back. We ran last year, we ran JRIs. This year we'll be running the same thing. Definitely the best shocks we've ever been on. Consistent. Brad really liked them, so we'll be going to get those later this week. Brad's working over here on these. What you working on? Why are you doing that? Okay, why are you doing that?
Just so I can make sure that my ride heights is correct.
Okay.
Hey, you want to go out there to the trailer and get the shock wrench for me?
Shock what?
The wrench. The shock wrench to adjust these.
The shock wrench, Chris. Shock wrench. If y'all pay attention to how Chris talks, he don't say wrench, he says ranch.
Where's the key?
They're in the door, they're open, it's unlocked.
Brad's getting ride height set. While Christopher gets the shocks put on. It's like this one's whooping your butt.
No, it ain't whooping me. It's just
What's it doing?
we ain't racing on them. We just putting them on. Now it's whooping my butt. Yeah. Did that boat go in here? Or did that boat go out there?
Back what it looks like. You can see it.
Whew. I was wondering if I was gonna get that one. Where it at?
Alright, so Brad, we're supposed to be working on a body tonight. Unfortunately, that has not happened. Cause why?
Major malfunction.
What was the major malfunction?
We'll let the boss say that.
What was the major malfunction, babe?
I'll let Joel tell them.
What was the major malfunction?
Blaming it on Joel Patrick.
He put the birdcage on what, backwards? He put the birdcage on backwards. So he had to take it off, take the hub off, take everything apart to do
Now you gotta put it back together.
to put it all right. So now he's working on that. But that's not all he's got accomplished. Christopher got the right front shock on. He got the left front shock on. And then they're working on that one. That's where they realized they had an issue because the shock wasn't mounting where it needed
See,
to.
that's where you won't find your problems, in the shop.
Yeah.
You don't want to find it.
You don't want a major malfunction on the racetrack.
Yep, a
Well, we
malfunction.
wouldn't have had a malfunction because the shock wasn't bolted on the door.
No, okay.
So you ain't gotta worry about that.
Okay. It was that bad, huh?
Yeah. I'm getting around that.
This is how it goes down a lot of times in the berry shop. Got a nice warm fire tonight. Christopher got us going.
Needs to be 4 and 5 weeks. That night.
On the high.
So it's been eventful. It was eventful last night, it was eventful tonight. But tonight is a lot better because Brad's not mad. Alright, so those of you that were watching our live video on Sunday night of me and Brad, you kind of seen what we were doing. Just letting everybody ask questions and we were just answering those. What do y'all think of letting it be Chris and Joel, the ones that are doing the live? Chris is already excited about it. I think we're gonna do that just so you guys can kind of see how they really are. Cause, well, you kind of see how they really are in the video, but you'll really see how goofy Chris is in that. Because if you go back and watch our live from a couple of years ago with Brad and Chris, I think I was in it. You seen how goofy he was, and a lot of people thought he was joking or that wasn't really, but that's really Chris. He's goofy. Tell us what you think about that. Tell us if you think you guys would enjoy that. We'll go live on YouTube and we'll go live on Facebook again. They're still working over here on this left ear trying to get everything back together. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up tonight. I want to thank our sponsors, KT Keaton and Air, Superior Bearing and Supply, CrateInsider.com, Vinson Race Engines, TA Suspension. Thanks to all those guys for helping us out and giving us a good car. We'll be back in the shop probably tomorrow. We'll keep videos coming. We'll probably have them pretty frequently the next couple of weeks, trying to get everything ready to go. And then after that, of course, we'll have them often as well because we'll be back racing. So we didn't get a whole lot done tonight, as you can tell, but he worked on some bird cages and shocks, got everything mounted there. So tomorrow we should be able to work a little more on the body. Joe's coming up tomorrow, so it'll be a couple of us. We appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, let them know about us. Thank you guys.